Please click here to like this video. Your comments are welcome. Subscribe to get new videos. Hello, welcome back. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to move an object. Okay, move an object or move objects in AutoCAD 2019. It's so easy. It's so easy. This is how you do it. It's just like the copy. This time around, we know how to select our object. So we can pick, we can fence, we can cross. So just come to the move command. Click on it. Highlight what you want to move. This time around, the original is going to be moved. It's not asking you at the command select object. I've selected, but the computer still doesn't recognize. So I press on enter to show that I've done it. Then it's telling you specify your base point. So this is my base point. And it's telling me where do you want to put it. So I want to end it here. Boom, and it's there. Let's try it again. I click on the move. Enter, click on this, move it to the next one, and it's done. Okay, so let's move the whole of these things now to the extreme right. So we click on the move, highlight this whole thing, press enter, click on your base point, and then move it to the far right. Okay, let's move the whole thing back again. It's so simple and it's so interesting. So click on it, move, highlight the whole object, press on enter on your space bar. It works the same way, the enter and the space bar. Okay, so I click on my first point, move to the next destination, and then the object is moved. This is how the move command works. It's so simple. Please click here to like this video. Your comments are welcome. Subscribe to get new videos.